G'day guys, Mazda 6.5 electrical park brake reset. So you don't need a scanner to do these, and even if you got a scanner, it's just going to guide you through this process. All right, ignition on, push down on the brake, push down on the accelerator 50%, right? While you're holding the brake and the accelerator, turn the ignition off, then turn the ignition back on while you're still holding them. Okay, so we got it. We're in service mode, right? Now the calipers have released. I've had to shut the window from exterior noise so you don't hear it. So you can't actually hear the calipers reset. Now, install your brake pads, push your pistons back, install your brake pads. Now when you come back, it's still on. So to turn it off, do the same thing but in reverse. Pull up, accelerate it down 50%, ignition on, then very quickly, ignition off, within 5 seconds, ignition back on. Let's try again. Ignition on, pull up, accelerate it down 30, 40, 50%. I'm holding the handbrake and the accelerator where they were, and now I'm turning it back on. I can hear the calipers retracting and we're reset. Now, I made the video twice because by the time I put my phone down and whatever, okay, we lost the synchronization. So let's do it again. Just start the car for good measure, operate the handbrake. Okay. Get in the car, accelerator on, down, accelerator 50%. Sorry, get in the car, ignition on, down, accelerator 50% down, turn the key off, the ignition off. Now recycle the ignition back on, and I can hear those pistons retracting. You can see that it's on now, and you're not going to lose it. I mean, maybe if you disconnect the battery, you'll lose it, but it's now in service mode. And again, to deactivate, hold up, accelerator down, cycle the ignition off. While it's off, keep holding, accelerator down, and turn it back on. And that will then reset the integrated caliper back to the service position, to the normal position. And you'll know if this thing's flashing, just do it again. But cycling the ignition will not deactivate the service mode because it can lead to someone's finger being chopped off, I guess. It's still stuck in service mode no matter what I do, which is a good thing. Hope that helps.